Just look how cute this package is, from the color and everything. Hello lovely, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do an unboxing. This is going to be part 2. Sorry about that, I meant part 1 of an unboxing, and it's all about skincare. I'm so excited and can't wait to share this with you. So let's do this. Here is the package and it's from Morelli. I am in love with this package, but when I got it, when I was opening, I kind of ruined it, but it still looks good. I love the color, and let me show you what's inside. Drum roll please. Okay, so here we go. Just look how cute this package is, from the color and everything. Let's see everything one by one. So it came with this brochure that includes all the products that they have, and they have a lot. This is the second brochure that explains how to use the product. And as you have already realized, when I do my makeup videos, I always have the bandana on, but Morelli hooked me up in a big way, so they sent me this headband. Just look how cute it is, and it represents, it's in their brand color. It's so cute. Now we're going to move on to the products, and we have this Morelli scrub. It's an exfoliating polish scrub. Like, I'm so excited because I didn't have an exfoliator, but now I'm going to include this. I've already used it once, by the way, and I love it. So let me open so that you can see how it looks. Here it is. It looks amazing, and also it smells delicious. It contains jojoba beads, vitamin C, A and E, which stimulate collagen and leave your skin brightened and radiant. I can't wait to use this. I will definitely recommend it to everyone. So let's move to the second product, and that's the Hydrating Face Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. And it says that it brightens, hydrates, and repairs. It helps to reduce the appearance of signs of aging. The overall result is a brighter, more radiant complexion. It contains antioxidants and a 14-plant complex to repair and restore the skin, and hyaluronic acid to produce the skin with long-lasting hydration. I want to say a big thank you to Morelli for sending me the package. I am in love with everything. And to you, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you've subscribed, thank you so much. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and comment. To get the same products, I'm going to share the link in the description box. And stay tuned for the next video.